If Pipedrive is running slow, yeah, that can seriously affect your productivity. In this video, I'll show you quick fixes to speed things up fast. First, check your internet speed. A slow or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons for lag. Next, close unused browser tabs and background apps. Yeah, too many open processes can slow everything down. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Old data can build up and affect performance over time. Try disabling browser extensions, especially heavy ones like ad blockers or security tools that might interfere. Make sure your browser is updated. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues and slow performance. Finally, check if Pipedrive is experiencing high load or downtime. Sometimes the slowdown isn't on your side, and that's it. These quick steps should help improve Pipedrive performance. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.